My name is Erin. My dream is to be a doctor. I have wanted to be a doctor since I was young. It's because my daddy has been working as a doctor since I was a baby. But my father doesn't want me to be a doctor. He thinks it's one of the most difficult careers ever. He told me that doctors should be ready for the sudden operation all the time because no one knows when there will be a serious injuries who will need a prompt operation. However, I am sure I can be a great doctor like my daddy, who cures sick people and makes them laugh once again. I have a maternal grandmother who I really love, but sadly, she is so sick now. I hope she could live a healthy life with me for a long time. Recently, I can hear news about infection disease, one of which is MERS coronavirus. I'm worried about people who are suffering and dying from this virus. I wonder if human beings can beat this virus or not. I want to be a medical doctor who studies cure for viruses. That would help not my grandmother, but also sick people all around the world. Now, I am thinking how nice it would be if I could develop the cures for all viruses. I'm certain I can find the perfect cure for all viruses to finish war between human beings and viruses. By developing the perfect cures, hopefully, I could win the Nobel Prize and also make my grandmother live to be 100 or more. Thanks for listening.